you have complete visibility into the activities of your sales force? Would you like to have instant access to the DCRs prepared by your sales force? Are you able to firmly align your field strategy with the results continually? Pulze is a field reporting system that understands the pulse of the industry. Powerful and easy to use, Pulze enables the field sales executives to spend quality time with their customers and also the power to send reports and instant updates from anywhere, anytime. Pulze, with its simple and effective interface, enables the FSCs to perform their day-to-day activities effectively. Once logged into the homepage, one would find the access based on their respective roles. The messaging panel facilitates easy communication across the organization. Corporate news, industry news, and training section supports the FSCs with the desired information about the company and the industry to keep them ahead of the competition. The FSCs can update their personal information and key achievements of their overall experience by using My Profile, My Achievements, My Strengths, and My Performance Till Date options. This acts as a great morale booster for the FSCs. Key announcements of the organization are compiled and updated by a central team for the benefit of the employees. Apart from this, the FSCs are provided with quick-look pie charts of their customer coverage at a glance and also an option to upload their picture. The homepage contains essential submenus such as Customers, Territory Masters, Sample Inventory, DCR, Variance Reports, Discussions, Expense Statements, Stock and Sales Statements, and Leave Management System. The Customer tab contains submenus such as Doctors, Chemists, Stockists, and Institution Doctors. In the Doctor section, one can add a new doctor to the master list or filter and search an existing doctor from the current list. This makes the whole process simple for the FSCs. Once the FSC enters the data for a new doctor, they can easily submit it to the ASM for his approval. Similarly, the chemist and stockist data can be updated using the simple Pulze interface. To have a better clarity on institutional doctors, the Institution tab not only helps the FSCs to add a new institution but also helps to map doctors based on an institution. Apart from this, one can filter the data based on name, market area, department, and approval status for easy reference. The Territory Master has a submenu containing MCP, Master Coverage Program, STP, Standard Tour Program, Standard Expense Plan, Monthly Tour Program, Standard Customer List, Day-Wise Work List Planner, and View Day Plan. In the Master Coverage section, the FSC can prepare the MCP, edit their master coverage, and add new market, etc. Once the details are filled, they can send it to the ASM for approval. The Standard Tour Program allows FSCs to formulate their tour program for 25 working days of a month with minimum effort by grouping doctors, institutions, and chemists in one master list. Further, the FSCs can determine the market and the group of customers to be covered under each market. By using the day-wise work list, the FSCs can prepare a day-wise work list and is a simple extension from the Standard Tour Program. This option saves a lot of time. This list is also useful for the FSC while assembling the monthly tour program, which gets auto-populated. The Standard Expense Plan helps the FSC to plan the travel expenses for their field visits. They can specify the mode of travel, kilometers traveled, fare, and allowance for specific markets. Once the DCR is submitted, the expense statements are automatically generated. The Standard Customer List is used to find the chemist, stockist, and institution details from the master customer list and avoids data redundancy. The same applies for the doctor, chemist, stockist, and institutions. With the view day plan in place, the FSCs simply need to look at the list of customers to be visited on any particular date. The sample inventory helps to keep track of samples and gifts using the menus. The FSCs have to simply add the brand sample details provided by the organization and track the number of samples given to customers and the pending stock on each brand. The same is carried out in the case of gifts as well. The Daily Call Report (DCR) section has two subdivisions: daily calls and missed calls. These can be used to check on and tracks the visit to doctors, stockists, chemists, and institutions. Further, the dates within last 72 hours will get displayed, and FSC can pick a particular date in which he or she wants to report the daily call. The FSCs simply need to indicate whether the call is taken or not. Lists of brands detailed and sampled to a doctor, provide comments and other additional details. The FSCs can simply do this while waiting at the doctor's chamber or while traveling to the next destination using their mobile devices. This promotes timely and accurate feedback to the organization on the strategy implementation. If a FSC fails to update customer visit details within 72 hours from the actual visiting time, then the call will be moved to a missed call. The same applies for the doctors, chemists, stockists, and institutions. The variance report section provides subdivisions such as market coverage, customer coverage, core doctor visits, and brand promotion variance. The market coverage, customer coverage, core doctor, and brand promotion sections show graphically the percentage covered and yet to be covered by the FSC within the desired time period. Area Sales Manager. When an ASM logs in, they can view the list of FSCs reporting to them and can pull their day-to-day performance details with ease. The ASMs can also approve or reject the list of doctors, chemists, stockists, and institution added by an FSC with a press of a button. Similarly, the ASM can approve or reject the master coverage plan, standard expense plan, standard tour program, markets covered, customers covered, percentage of core doctors met, brand promotion variance, brand samples utilized, etc. by the FSCs reporting under them during field visits. Admin. The admin module is provided at the top right-hand corner of the home page. Here, the ASM is provided with subsections such as user management, field code management, roles, brands, configuration parameters, and announcement. The ASM can easily add new users. To create a new profile, one can click on the User Management tab and fill up the given fields. The field code management can be used to edit fields such as frequency, purpose, hierarchy using drop-down list box. This roles page displays the list of different role-based users using this application, and one can edit it accordingly. In the Brand Master page, the brands can be searched by brand names. The Brand Master page allows ASMs to create a master brand drug list. Using the Configuration Parameters tab, ASMs can change the number of grids to appear on a particular page. Further, the Announcement tab allows one to publish announcements on the home page. Pulze. Simple and easy to use interface. Comprehensively aligned modules. Delivered in a pay-per-user per month model. Complete visibility into the activities of your sales force. Instant analysis of DCRs submitted. constant alignment of field strategy with the results. Pulze.